Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam waved his hands and feet in sleep. We submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in sleep you have done what you have never done. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is amazing. Some people of my ummah will intend for Allah's house in order to arrest a man belonged to the Quraysh who will have taken refuge in Allah's house. Until when they reach the flat ground, they will be made to sink in the earth. We submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, all kinds of the people gather on the way. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, yes, there will be those people among them who have joined them willingly, and those who have come under duress, and there will be some travelers too. They all will be annihilated altogether. Then Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will raise them separately according to their intentions. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7173.